What's up, everybody? So one thing I wanted to say is I was just on my way home. This is my Cayenne. So as you can see, this car has oversized tires, and I was just on my way home and passed a Jeep that had been driving, and the wheels vibrated enough that the lug nuts pulled through. So if you have oversized tires, it's a good thing to every now and then recheck your torque on your lug nuts, like I'm about to do right now. So I set these to 125 foot-pounds. And I always hand torque my lugs. And that one moved just a touch. So we're going to continue on and do all of them. So we'll move on to here. Now I just reset all my tire pressures. So we're going to do those. We're going to move on around the other side here. That's our next project. So all 5, and then the final one right here. So this is something that if you have oversized wheels and tires, you should probably check these from time to time, because like I said, the Jeep I stopped at and helped, they didn't have their wheel key, and they had those tuner style lug nuts with the little flutes instead of large ones like what I have. I would say that those little tuner lug nuts aren't really that great, because they're for a larger size tire like this, you need to have a lug nut that's a little bit bigger on the bottom where it goes into the wheel. And anyway, just make sure your lug nuts are always tight. So check them from time to time, like at least every oil change. Make sure you're verifying that your lug nuts haven't backed off, especially if you have aftermarket wheels and tires. And if you have something like what I have, where you have larger size wheels and tires. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching this. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, comment, and all that.